Hi, my name is Ted Bird. I'm the Chief Strategy Officer for Dymicron. Dymicron is an innovative medtech company that has solved the problem of artificial joints that create wear debris. Dymicron is advancing a cervical disc technology for preserving motion in a person's neck when they have degenerative disc disease. There's a process where that creates pain. Degenerative disc disease is debilitating. It affects people's ability to lift their children, to take a walk, to walk their dog, with numbness, tingling, difficulty sleeping. So how they fix that is conservative care, injections, physical therapy. If that doesn't work, the next option is spinal fusion. And that is putting metal screws and rods and plates into the neck to rigidly fix the neck. The problem with that is it immobilizes that segment of the spine and creates degeneration at the next level. So that person is going to have another surgery. So in recent years, artificial discs have been brought onto the marketplace which preserve the motion, are a much better alternative than fusion. Dymicron has developed the next generation artificial disc using an innovative material, man-made diamond, that does not wear. So the combination of the diamond and the engineering design that makes it more natural for the spine is the innovation that Dymicron is forwarding. So the two problems that are in the market today with current design artificial discs are problems that Dymicron has solved with, number one, our material. The man-made diamond, it's a polycrystalline diamond, eliminates wear debris that all of the other materials have in their design, plastic and metal. What's the problem with wear debris? It creates inflammation, which creates osteolysis, which means the implant will ultimately fail and the patient has to have another surgery. The second problem that our design solves is the biomechanic motion of the disc. All current discs are designed with a ball and socket design, and that's not the natural motion of a normal disc. Our disc, the Triadyme C, is a trilobe. So it's like having a three-legged stool versus a one-legged stool. More stable, more natural to the spine. So the two innovations that Dymicron has developed are the material and the engineering design. Here you can see in the design of this cervical artificial disc, it's a black shiny material. That's diamond. That's man-made diamond that we have the intellectual property and patents to make. That eliminates wear debris. The second innovation are the three lobes and the three pockets. That three-legged stool design versus a one-legged stool makes it more stable, and essentially when it comes together and is inserted in the spine, creates a more natural motion and eliminates the wear debris that plastic and metal creates. So this implant will be a one and done, last for a lifetime. Dymicron has a bright future. We have solved two big problems for artificial joints in the orthopedic space. We're starting in the cervical spine. Today, we are accepting investors through a unique way for the everyday person to be able to invest through equity crowdfunding. That allows, you don't even have to be an accredited investor. So by going to invest.dymicron.com, you can invest as little as $1,000 and become a share owner of Dymicron and be a part of our future of transforming orthopedic joint replacement. So LSI is the third meeting that I've been to with LSI. The gathering of investors, entrepreneurs, service companies that support the medical technology industry is phenomenal. It's been a wonderful experience over the last 3 years to make contacts with people that want to invest in innovation, people that are fellow entrepreneurs and startup company owners, to network, share ideas, and to introduce and meet people that have services that are needed by our company. So every year, I've always left with new ideas, new contacts, and new investors. This is fantastic.